Hello out there to you. In this video, we're going to use the tax multiplier to figure out what the biggest change, possible change, to a tax cut of $100 billion would be. Very common question in thinking about the Keynesian model of macroeconomics. So MPC, which is the marginal propensity to consume, is zero point 0.6. MPC plus MPS, which is the marginal propensity to save, equals 1. So if this is zero point 0.6, this has to be zero point 0.4. You can do that in your head. That equals 1. The tax multiplier itself is a good formula to memorize for your tests. And it is negative MPC over MPS. And if we use that, we get negative 0.6 over 0.4, which equals negative 1.5. And we're going to multiply this by our cut in taxes. So that's a negative $100 billion. Clear. And this would be negative times a negative equals a positive. And this would be $150 billion. Okay, so this is the answer. And so just going back to our steps, if you have something like this, find the tax multiplier, then just multiply it by your change, and that's the biggest change in real GDP that you'd be facing.